Well, good evening, folks. How's everyone doing tonight? Oh boy, you guys are a small crowd, but I know you can get louder than that. I said, how's everyone doing? There we go, much better. Well, my name is Tyla, and I'm proud to be the first to welcome you here to our Sea Lions Flash Show, brought to you by Van Ganaway Chevrolet. Now, before we get the show started, there is something you all need to know about the beautiful girls you see up here. And that is they do act a lot like your typical 3-year-old child at home. Which means one of two things could happen today. Their trainer could come out here and these girls could do everything she asks them to try, and we'll have a phenomenal show. Or their trainer will come out here and these girls will do whatever it is they feel like doing. Either way, we ask for you guys to laugh, clap along, and enjoy the show as much as we do. But now it is my pleasure to introduce the girls' best friend and trainer to the stage, Zaina. Let's give her a big round of applause. Next thing I need to let you guys know is these girls, they work for 2 things and 2 things only. I'm going to give you all a wild guess what that first one is. Oh yeah, a ton of fish. But the other one is noise, and that's going to come from all of you. So if you guys see our girls do something you like, I want you all to clap your hands, scream really loud, and make a whole lot of noise for them. Show them what you like, ladies. Now it's time to introduce the stars of our show, and I'm going to start right here on the end. Now this is the one, the only, Punky. Hey Punky, you having a good day? Yeah? Do you want to say hello to everyone? Beautiful job, Punky. That was a big sea lion hello.
Look at this one over here.
And right on the other side is our sweet little Lily. Hey Lily, can you say hello to everyone? Oh, very cute. Now, as cute as these 2 girls are, they actually came to us with a pretty sad story. They all came to us as beach-stranded sea lions. Now, a beach-stranded sea lion is simply one that can no longer take care of itself, or one that's become a victim of pollution, shark attacks, all different reasons. That out there in the wild, we leave behind soda bottles, plastic bags. This stuff, guys, looks like a ton of fun, especially to a baby animal. But sometimes they make a terrible mistake and they accidentally eat it. Lily, can you show us what would happen if you ate that plastic? Oh no! Poor Lily, look, Punky's just so sad. Oh no! Very good. Now, not only are these girls phenomenal actresses, but they are equally just as smart. And they know just what to do if they find some plastic right there in their own pool. Oh, she's got that bottle, guys. And where's it go when you're done? Right in that recycling bin. Great job, Punky. Now I know what you guys are thinking. There is no way we could be a recycling sea lion. But I have a question for you all. Do you guys like magic? Yeah? Well, fortunately for you, we do have Lily the Amazing up here. And Lily can make one entire fish disappear right before your very eyes. It is extremely difficult. She's been working on it her entire life. All right, Lily, are you ready? You're gonna hold that fishy right there on your nose and not let it go anywhere. Ta-da! It's totally gone. Now we're just playing around with you. You know who's the real magician up here? Punky. Because Punky can make her entire head disappear, right?